Conversation 1.
Do you have a bike I can borrow?
Yeah, I have one, but it's very old.
Does it run well?
Yeah, it works, but it might need a new tire.
You know, I think I have one in the garage.
Perfect. Then you are all set.
Conversation 2.
Would you like a cookie?
I would love one. Did you make them yourself?
No, I bought them at the store.
They look delicious.
Oh, I hope you enjoy them.
Conversation 3.
Do you have a pen I can use?
Yes, you can use this one.
Thanks. I'll give it right back.
That's okay. You can keep it.
Oh, I just need it for a bit.
Really, keep it. I never use that one anyway.
Conversation 4.
Do you have any paper clips?
There are some at my desk.
I'm sorry, I don't see them.
Oh, they are in the drawer.
This one? The top one?
No, the next one. That one.
Ah, okay, found them. Thanks.